Leonhard Euler, the 15th of April 1707, the 18th of September 1783, was a Swiss mathematician, physicist, astronomer, geographer, logician, and engineer, who founded the studies of graph theory and topology, and made pioneering and influential discoveries in many other branches of mathematics, such as analytic number theory, complex analysis, and infinitesimal calculus. He introduced much of modern mathematical terminology and notation, including the notion of a mathematical function. He is also known for his work in mechanics, fluid dynamics, optics, astronomy, and music theory. Euler is held to be one of the greatest, most prolific mathematicians in history and the greatest of the 18th century. Several great mathematicians who produced their work after Euler's death have recognized his importance in the field, as shown by quotes attributed to many of them. Pierre-Simon Laplace expressed Euler's influence on mathematics by stating, read Euler, he is the master of us all." Carl Friedrich Gauss wrote, "The study of Euler's works will remain the best school for the different fields of mathematics, and nothing else can replace it." His 866 publications, as well as his correspondences, are being collected in the Opera Omnia Leonhard Euler, which, when completed, will consist of 81 quartos. He spent most of his adult life in St. Petersburg, Russia, and in Berlin, then the capital of Prussia. Euler is credited for popularizing the Greek letter pi, lowercase pi, to denote the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, as well as first using the notation fx for the value of a function, the letter I to express the imaginary unit, the Greek letter sigma, capital Sigma, to express summations, the Greek letter delta, capital Delta, for finite differences, and lowercase letters to represent the sides of a triangle while representing the angles as capital letters. He gave the current definition of the constant e, the base of the natural logarithm, now known as Euler's number. Euler is also credited with being the first to develop graph theory, partly as a solution for the problem of the 7 bridges of Königsberg, which is also considered the first practical application of topology. He also became famous for, among many other accomplishments, providing a solution to several unsolved problems in number theory and analysis, including the famous Basel problem. Euler has also been credited for discovering that the sum of the numbers of vertices and faces minus the number of edges of a polyhedron equals 2, a number now commonly known as the Euler characteristic. In the field of physics, Euler reformulated Newton's laws of physics into new laws in his 2-volume work Mechanica to better explain the motion of rigid bodies. He also made substantial contributions to the study of elastic deformations of solid objects. If you found this video interesting, please consider subscribing. Only 1.2% of our viewers are subscribed, and you never know, our next video could be just as interesting.